Hi everyone, my name is Jordan Spangenberg. Looking forward to working with everyone here in this course for the rest of this fall semester. Little introduction about me first. I teach for the Manheim Township School District. I'm a fifth grade teacher and I teach math and science. I'm working towards my degree in assessment curriculum and teaching with a focus in online instruction. A little bit about my family. So my wife and I have been married for 9 years. We have 4 children. Chase is 7, Kaylee's 5, Addison's 3, Briella's 1. My wife is also a teacher. She works for the Hempfield School District teaching 5th and 6th grade learning support. So a couple of things from this course that I hope to learn by the time we're done working together. So first thing, how can I improve the quality of online assessments? So I'm currently using online assessments in my classroom, as I'm sure many of you who are teachers are as well. But always looking to improve the assessments that we're learning. So, what are some ways that we can make them better? What are some ways that, they can be used to better help our students as well? Second thing, how can technology be integrated into assessments? So we're probably all using some sort of technology, some form, some way as we assess our students in our classrooms. But what are some other ways that we can integrate technology into our assessments that make them better for our students and help them better prove what they have learned throughout our unit before they take their assessment? And finally, the third thing, how can technology be used in assessments to make them equitable for all types of learners? So this is a big thing that I've been focusing on recently, is just evaluating the assessments that I'm learning and using, and then making sure that they are up to standard for all types of our learners. So making sure that all of our learners have the opportunity to fully show what they know and fully prove that they are understanding the content. And just with me as a teacher, understanding that this might look differently for different types of learners. And technology is something that we can use to help these types of learners as well. So, that's another thing I really want to focus on is, in our assessments that we're giving, are there different forms of technology, different things that we can be doing to make these assessments created in a way that, students can prove what they know. So again, looking forward to working with all of you this semester and looking forward to learn a lot of new techniques through our collaboration time together. So enjoy this semester and looking forward to working with you all.